Hi, today I'll show you how to upload data to the datachex repository to have them checked for any errors. The first step would be to log in or sign up for github.com. I've already signed up for GitHub, but you can go to github.com and click on the sign up button on the top right. The second step would be to make sure that your data is available on a publicly accessible URL in the raw format, such as on an S3 URL or a GitHub guest. I've uploaded my data to a GitHub guest, and this is what it looks like. Here I have two datasets, and I can click on the raw button to get the raw URL. In one of the following steps, I'll simply copy this URL to where it's needed. The next step would be to go to github.com/vulekamali/datachex. This is the datachex repository. You can have a look around and you can read the README, which explains what this repository is about, how it works, and how the directory structure works. What you have to do is click on the Create New File button. Now we have to type in the directory structure where we want to store our data package file. The top directory should be data packages. To step into the next directory, we can simply type the /. The next directory should be the year that you want to upload your dataset for. In this case, we'll upload data for the 2019 to 2020 year. The next directory should be the data type of your dataset. In this case, we'll upload an EPRE type dataset. The name of the file should always be datapackage.json. Let's go back to the steps. Here it tells us to copy the following text to our file. So we'll copy and we'll paste it. Now we need to fill in the values that tells us to insert our own values. For the name value, we can simply type in something that is descriptive of our dataset. For example, 2019 to 2020 provincial EPRE data. You can copy this name to the name inside the resources value. The next value we have to have a look at is the path value. Now this is the path that we can copy from where our dataset is stored. The last value we need to have a look at is the schema. You can use the first part of the schema URL that's already there. You simply need to change the last part. This you can change to the type of dataset you want to upload. In this case, EPRE. Next, we need to scroll down to the commit file heading. Now we need to select the create a new branch value and click on propose new file. On the next screen, we can change the title of the pull request to something descriptive, such as add data add 2019 to 20 EPRE data. Last step would be to click on the create pull request button. On the next screen, we'll see a heading that says some checks haven't completed yet. This means that our checks are running at the moment. Now we need to wait until this text turns either red or green and gives us more information. I've already uploaded some data previously. I'll show you what it looks like when it's completed. In this case, we have an example of checks that have failed. The text is red and it says all checks have failed. We can click on the Details button next to the first item. Underneath the job log header, we have the output of the program that's run on our data. We can scroll down and see what dataset it has checked. In this case, it has checked the 2018 to 2019 EPRE data package. You can scroll down. We can see it checks another data package, which was the one we uploaded. It's 2019 to 2020 EPRE data package. When we scroll down, we see the error messages. You might have more than this. You might have one error message. You just have to look at what it says. So the first part of the message contains the column value and the row value of where the error occurred. In this case, it's a table-wide error, so it doesn't show us a row or a column. The next part is the type of error that occurred. In this case, it was a budget phase required values error. And then it gives us a message. Table does not contain the medium-term estimates value in the budget phase column at least once. This means that the budget phase column must contain the medium-term estimates value at least once. So if we change our data and re-upload it again, that error message should go away. The next error tells us on row 2, there's an error on the 6th column. The type of error is budget phase for new financial year. And it says value orders outcome in column budget phase must be main appropriation when column financial year is 2019 on row 2. Now I'll show you a dataset that has been uploaded successfully. In this case, the box of the text is green and it says all checks are passed. You don't have to go check the details anymore. However, if you want to, you can go and click on details. Let's scroll to the bottom and it says all datasets okay, which means there have been no errors for any of the datasets.